For somebody who does not understand what a bond is, let us assure you it's the simplest and safest option for you to invest in. Since thousands of years, people lend money to others, get paid interest, and then their money is returned after a certain period of time. Similarly, a person who holds a bond is a lender to the company who issues the bond. The bondholder gets paid interest on the amount lent and gets principal back after a specific time. Let's understand this with a short example. A company is started with rupees 100 crore owner's money, which is called equity. Now, when the company is looking to expand, it does not have more equity to grow the business. So, it decides to borrow rupees 50 crores of this money from others. Instead of borrowing 50 crores from one lender or entity, the company plans to borrow it from 50,000 lenders. Also, the company decides to pay 10% interest to borrow this money and return everyone's money after 5 years. So, 50,000 certificates of rupees 10,000 each are issued, where these certificates are nothing else but bonds. These bonds have face value of rupees 10,000 each and coupon rate of 10%, which is the interest that a bondholder earns every year paid at regular frequency like monthly, quarterly or annually. After 5 years, this bond reaches its maturity period. The bondholder gets the entire principal amount back with due interest, irrespective of whether the company has made any profits or not. Investor has earned rupees 1,000 every year for 5 years, or total rupees 5,000 on just rupees 10,000 investment. So, as an investor, you are taking minimum risk with the high fixed rate stable return for lending money to large public sector or private companies.